Hello class 10 children. Today we will be doing the next topic in our part A, ICT skills. The topic is under the same heading, formatting a document in Apache OpenOffice Writer. Now yesterday we had done about your various other things, just like alignment you had done in Apache OpenOffice Writer. Now today we'll be doing setting tabs. Now you all know that when you are typing in a document, sometimes you need to adjust the tabs. Just at the end, you want to adjust your document, you want the whole text to be moved towards particular side. Then we use these tabs. These tabs can be set in two ways. Now first of all, before that I would like to tell you that each time when you are pressing the tab key from the keyboard, the cursor of the mouse, it will move half an inch to the right. The tab selector button is present on the horizontal ruler. Now in OpenOffice Writer, you can set 4 types of tabs: left, right, centered and decimal. So left tab what it will be doing? It will be moving your text towards the right side. The right tab will be moving your text towards the left side. Center will keep the text in the center. And the decimal tab, this is new for you. It was not in class 9th also. So decimal tab, what it does, suppose you have to write the number 2.203. Now, when you put the decimal and you set this tab, this number will be right justified. That means this number will be set towards the right side. So this is the basic functioning of your decimal tab. Now the next I was telling you that we can set the tab in two ways. One is your using the format menu, and the other one is using the horizontal ruler. Now if you are first will be doing using the format menu, for that, just like you were doing for alignment also, we need to click on the format menu. A paragraph option is there. Select that paragraph option. The paragraph dialog box appears. Now in this paragraph dialog box, you click on the tabs. T-A-B-S, tabs, tab. There were various tabs there. Indents and spacing was there. Alignment was there. So now you have to click on the tab whose name is tabs. And then from there you will find that there are various types of tab: left, right, centered and the decimal. And according to your desire, according to your whatever you need, you can select the tab stop type and then you can click OK. So this is the one way of setting the tabs, that is using the format menu. Now the next one is setting the tab using the horizontal ruler. Now what is this horizontal ruler? When you open your document in OpenOffice Writer plus in your MS Word also, just before the document you can see there is a ruler, horizontal ruler. And if it is not visible on your screen, what you can do is there is a button known as tab selector present at the left side of this document. You click on that button, you can see the horizontal ruler there. Now when you click on this horizontal ruler, as I have shown in the diagram also, there is a tab selector button there. You can click it. This button is already present even if the ruler is not visible. So if you want your ruler to be visible, horizontal ruler, you can click on this tab selector button. So repeatedly you will click on this tab selector at the left of the horizontal ruler to get the desired type of tab that you want. And then you can get there, you can see these signs: tab stops, left, L is made. Left will be just like your L, right is the L towards the other side, center one, and the decimal tab. So basically these tabs, why are we using these tabs? The ultimate goal of our making a document in MS Word or in OpenOffice Writer is to make the document presentable, because according to our needs, suppose we have to write a journal, if you are working with a newspaper agency and you have to write news, then there are various things you need to do in that. So these can be done only when you will be able to use these tabs and all the features that I am telling you daily. Now moving on to the decimal tab stop, once more I will tell you that when a line does not feature a period, what is a period? A dot, the decimal dot. Text typed at the decimal tab stop is write justified. Okay, that means whatever you will be typing after that decimal, if you select this tab, it will be moving towards the right only. It will not be going to any other positions. So this tab stop can be used inside a table cell also, or columns, to align the values. So children, this setting the tabs is very important once you have finished your document and you want the things to be aligned at one place. To conclude, I will just say that the formatting basically is done to make your document look attractive, look presentable, plus whatever you desire to fulfill that. So setting tabs is also one of the features of formatting a document. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.